welcome or welcome back to my channel. Y'all know we like fragrance over here. We're in a new season, so let's talk about some summer smell goods for you out there. Yes, some of them you would have heard about before, but at least you know that I like the same things and I like the things that I'm recommending to you guys. So if you guys want to know what I've got on this summer, let's go. I'm always going to tell you about combinations that get me compliments in real life, because don't take it from me. Take it from what other people are saying to me. I did a video, one of those like, let's talk new fragrances, and I mentioned that YSL was coming out with a new Libre, and then I got it in the mail, baby. So y'all, I love the Libre Intense. I like the regular Libre. They came out with one that was another version of Libre. That one, while still nice, that one gave a little bit more. I'm gonna leave that to the men. So I do also like the fact that Libre can be unisex. This is a citrusy Libre. So if you know Libre, this is like a citrusy version of that one, and it makes it perfect for this time of the year. Just smelling like spring, smelling like summer, smelling like we outside. And I have been a little outside recently, but I was in the grocery store, I got compliments. I was in Uber, got compliments. This is one of those head turners. Okay, especially the combination together. They're strong, but still like girly, feminine, and just soft as you walk by. So it's gonna turn heads, but it's nothing nauseating, anything like that. Especially right now. I done told y'all that I don't know what happened with my nose. I would have to go into detail on that, but I, especially right now, cannot take anything that is too strong, too overpowering when it comes to my nose. So if you have issues like that as well, just know I'm giving you things where it's not going to give you a headache, it's not going to irritate your nose, none of that. But I have been using this, looking in the wrong place. I have been using this in combination with this right here. This is Milk from Commodity, and I'm telling you, these two together, it's just an airy, soft, light. Now you might think, and mind you, Milk is like a milky type of vanilla fragrance, and you're thinking milky vanilla citrus, but it works out. It works itself out. I don't know how, but it does. I need the sun to stop playing with me. It does. And it just smells like this sweet, little juicy. Listen, again, I'm still trying to figure out this camera. I thought it stopped recording. Girl, it's just a good combination. Okay, up next, and I'm telling you, every time I talk about this, I have people in the comments saying I bought this off of your recommendation, and yes, absolutely, positively, I get compliments when I wear this in real life. This is Moschino's Toy 2. I have the pink and the white one. Oh, well, I was about to spray this on myself like I didn't. Well, I only sprayed one. I haven't tried Libre in combination with this one. Let's see what it's giving. Wait a minute. Did I just find another combination that I like? Wait a minute. If you don't like the idea of the milky and the citrus combined together, you might like the idea of this and the citrus combined together. This kind of has a, what's the candy? Like a bubblegum type scent to it, but it's not as sweet as the pink one. The pink one is the true, you know that, I think the pink and purple packaging bubblegum back in the day when we were kids, that is exactly what that one smells like. This, please. This kind of has that scent to it, but like a little bit more mature, again, a little bit more feminine. I don't remember what the other notes are in this one, but also like a little bit more floral. So I feel like if you don't like the other combination that I just gave, you might like this in combination with YSL. This is my first time trying it, and I'm like, wait a minute, I like what I'm smelling right now. But on its own, I get compliments on this all the time. And this is also one of the fragrances where I will pair this with a lot. I'll pair it with the other Moschino, I'll pair this with Gourmands, with Woodsy, with Clean, with Citrusy, and it'll mix with all of those, right? However, this is one of the rare fragrances that I have where I actually will just wear this on its own, especially if I'm like in a rush. I don't have time to like try to think of a combination. I know I can pick this one up, throw it on, and go, and it's going to smell good, and people are going to know that I smell good. So this one, definitely want to break out during the summer. You know, summertime, everyone's outside a little bit more. Maybe you're at the function, but definitely a head turner. Definitely gives like summertime vibes. Okay, the next two are like nighttime, summertime vibes because it got a little spice to it. You can wear them during the day, but I'm thinking like summertime, rooftop dinner, summertime, date night, summertime, girls night out, you're on vacation, private suite summertime. First one is Forever Moods I Am Her. This is the one that has the like red velvet scent to it, but it's also got the oud in it as well, and just like fiery, spicy but sweet. I'm spicy, I'm sweet, I'm sweet until you try me, then I get a little spicy. That's what this one gives. And then the other one is the Billie Eilish, I think it's just called like Billie Eilish or something like that. What do you call it? Child. The Billie Eilish. And y'all know this one had to grow on me. I actually did not like this the first time around when I smelled it, but it grew on me, and it's like a spicy vanilla. So you see what I'm saying? Like these two give like summertime nights. Mixed well with other fragrances as well, but it's like that spicy vanilla again. What did they say about Sour Patch Kids? First they're sour, then they're not. But like replace sour with spicy. First she a little, you know, she a little cold to the touch, but then she warms up a little bit. That's what this one gives, and like I said, nighttime. Okay, now next one, even before I had whatever issue I've got going on with my nose right now, I've never been the biggest like juicy fragrance kind of girl. I just feel like they can very quickly become nauseating. Think like Juicy Couture type fragrances, or some of the fragrances that you might pick up at like Victoria's Secret or something like that, especially like body mist fragrances. I can't do a lot of them because they have that kind of like juicy, strong, it's like those are the scents that they be using to spray perfume in stores. So think of the scent of Gilly Hicks, Abercrombie, Victoria's Secret. I can't do those fragrances a lot of the time. So when I do find a more juicy fragrance that I like, just know it is not nauseating. It's not too overpowering, because we still want a fragrance that's going to last throughout the day, especially with the price that some of these fragrances be costing. So this is My Way from Giorgio Armani, and I feel like this is the perfect like summertime juicy fragrance that gives the vibe of everything that I just said, but again isn't doing too much. This one, you gotta be a little bit more careful. That's another thing with juicy fragrance, you gotta be a little more careful with what you combine with it, because it can go left a lot of the time. And I found that a lot of the time, if I am gonna mix it with something, it's with something else that is also juicy, but again, it won't be too strong so that it doesn't start smelling a little juvenile, it doesn't start smelling a little overpowering, because there's head turners for like a good reason and a bad reason. You don't ever want to be the reason why people are like, what was that? And it's not even like they're turning around saying like, what was that? Because, you know, it's like musty or in a bad way. It's just like a, oh, you're one of those. You're one of the, you know, you put it on and it's all right, leave some for the next outing. It smells like you put the whole bottle on. You know, like, think Men with Axe. You know when you can smell it and you're just like, oh, you put the whole thing on, didn't you? You want to make sure we smell you. Okay. Well, we did. You accomplished it. We smell you. We smell you. And the last one I have is from Glossier. I would say out of everything that I just talked about, this is probably the one where you could do this for like very casual, very simple days out during the summer. Maybe you're going for a walk in the park. Maybe you are, you know, going on like a solo coffee shop type thing. Maybe you're just going to the grocery store. Maybe you're just going to the post office, that type of thing. This is from Glossier. I forgot, what do you call it? Glossier U. This is like a woodsy, spicy vanilla. If you're new here, I'm a vanilla kind of girly. And again, strong enough where I feel like you'll still smell it throughout the day, but soft enough that, like I said, it can be for more casual wear, quick, simple outings. This is another one where I might be comfortable just wearing this. Well, I would be comfortable just wearing this, again, if I'm just doing something on its own. If I'm just doing something like running to the grocery store, I'm just running to go mail something out, something like that. If I'm going to an event, to dinner or anything like that, could I wear this on its own? Absolutely. But would I, knowing myself? Probably not. I'm not playing when I tell you I am at least wearing 2 fragrances 90% of the time. And yeah, y'all, that is it on some of my summer fragrances that I would recommend. Those are what I'm wearing right now. Those are some of my most complimented fragrances. And again, they just give very summer vibes, whether that's hometown, on vacation, regardless of what the occasion is. I'll definitely be wearing one of those. Probably, actually, now that I think about it, and now that I'm smelling myself, I might wear the combination that I put on in today's video to Cowboy Carter. It'll be one of those fragrances that I just showed. So if you see me, first of all, say hello. Second, that's probably what you're gonna smell. So you're gonna watch this video ahead of time, so then you don't even gotta ask me, what is that? You'll already know. All right, y'all, so that is it for some of my summer smells that I would recommend. Let me know in the comments down below what you've been picking up lately, because we can always add more to the collection. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Make sure you are following me on Instagram and or TikTok is the same username. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.